Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
So, good evening, everyone, and warm greetings to everyone. I, Jai Rajesh Wagh, of NSS volunteer of Saraswati College of Engineering, welcomes you all for the celebration of 88th Indian Air Force Day, 8th October 1932, the day on which Indian Air Force was established, and since then we celebrate the Indian Air Force Day every year on the same day to thank the heroes for protecting our skies. It's my great pleasure to be here today hosting the Indian Air Force Day celebration. Now I would like to welcome our honorable guest for today's celebration, retired Wing Commander S.K. Singh. Sir, we will now begin with the session and you may begin.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Jai Hind, everybody. How is the Joes?
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Fine, Jai Hind.
Welcome, welcome. See, let me introduce first myself. I am this type of haircut we keep usually. I am Wing Commander Sanjeev Kumar Singh, and I am an aeronautical engineer as well as an MBA. The MBA I have pursued while staying in service itself. We get lots of opportunity to study, including study leave of 2 years. I am trained in all the three faculties, operation, maintenance, as well as admin. I have held various prestigious assignments like flight commander, senior technical officer, adjutant, HRM head, officer IC, public fund and non-public fund, senior engineer mechanical, and various team leaders of various courses as well as commanded a unit. And I have led few missions in foreign countries also. One of our friendly countries is Israel. I am trained on SAM-3, surface-to-air missile Pishera 3, various type of radars, including fifth generation radar, various aircrafts, trained for fire, and CBRN also, that is chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear attacks and its deterrence. I am trained in armament. I am trained in explosive ordnance disposal. I am trained in IED, advanced aerial weapons also. And latest, I was on deputation to Israel for a latest fifth generation missile, SAM missile, which is known as MR-SAM, which we have one unit in India, and we are on the verge of procurement. It is a Make in India project with the help of DRDO. I have my siblings include my one brother, who is head of the Axis in Airoli branch in Mumbai itself, and my sister Seema Singh, who is a professor in your college. My wife is a MA in philosophy. My son is a software engineer from Amity University, and right now he is employed in a UK-based company called SHL. He is also pursuing his fine arts. He has acted in one or two short movies as well as in he is doing modeling also. And presently, I am staying at Jaipur. Let me tell you something about Air Force. I know you all might be very curious about knowing the things. As my friend Arman rightly brought out 88th Air Force Day, and I'm thankful to him that he mentioned that in recognition of our great heroes. Really, I must say, heroes are those not those whom you see on the reel. Heroes are those whom you hear, who are there for you on the borders, and the temperatures ranging from -50 to above 50 degrees centigrade. But life is very thrilling over there. Indian Air Force is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces. It complemented of personal and aircraft assets. It is the fourth strongest air force in the world. First is USA, second is Russia, third is Israel, and fourth is our own Indian Air Force. It was officially established on 8th October 1932. That time, the name was not Indian Air Force. It was Royal Air Force. It was led by British. It was formed by British. It became only Indian Air Force after uh, we became Republic, that is in 1950. Thereafter, we dropped the prefix Royal and we included Indian as, and it became Indian Air Force. The role of, we have two roles in all the armed forces. One is role in peace and role in war. In peace, you are aware, everybody is aware. We do CASEVAC, casualty evacuation, then in floods, we support government, we support NDRF because they don't have aircrafts. We provide them helicopters, aircrafts. We all are well aware of this. And the operational role is to safeguard our boundaries on aerial platform. There are almost 1,40,000 active personals. We have 14 lakh reserve forces. We have more than 1,750 plus aircraft. We have headquarters of Air Force at Delhi, New Delhi. The motto of Air Force is Nava Sparsha Dipta, touch the sky with glory. And this is mentioned in the Gita in 11th chapter when uh, Krishna was briefing Arjun in the battle, Mahabharata battle of Kurukshetra. We have led lots of operations. Many you might be knowing. The one which you don't know, I'll tell you. We participated in World War II, Indo-Pakistan War 1947, Congo Crisis, Operation Vijay, Sino-Indian War, Indo-Pakistan War of 1965 also, Battle of Boira, that is in Bangladesh, Liberation War, Operation Meghdoot, and the resultant of Pulwama attack, you know, which is the latest. Kargil, we had a very important role to play. We have lots of aircrafts in our inventory, which I'll let you know, like Jaguar, Sukhois, Mirages. I'll tell you about the figures also. Fighter. In electronic warfare, we have AEW, which is AWNCS, which is again from Russia, some parts from Israel, then with the help of DRDO. Fighters, we have Sukhoi Mark 1, Rafale, Mirage 2000, MiG-29, Tejas, MiG-21. In helicopters, we have Apache, Chinook, Dhruv, Chetak, Cheetah, Mi-17, Rudra, Mi-26, Mi-25, Mi-35, many more. And we have Herons in collaboration with Israel, Searcher, that we are UAV, Searcher and Herons. Trainer aircrafts included in our inventory is Hawk Mark 132, Pilatus, HJT-16, Kiran, many more. Transport aircraft which we have is C-130, C-17, IL-76, Chinook, AN-32, HS-748, Dornier, Boeing, and ERJ-135. I'll tell you a very nice story. You know, when can anybody tell me when we had the Indo-China conflict?
1979. No.
You'll have to go back. See, when we had war with, it was a full-fledged war, a part of full-fledged war with China. That time, China didn't have its air force. Imagine a scenario: we had an air force. We attacked Pakistan in 1948 itself. Had we used our aircrafts, I don't know what may be the pressure or what may be the malum of the then government, China could have been abolished by now. At that very time, China realized that they don't have air wing, and then they started procuring and the thing. Now it is also a mighty air force. Kargil incident, everybody is aware. It is the highest. It is the first battle which has been fought at such a height, and it was such a challenging job for air force pilots to drop a bomb to locate a target because they were not visible. They had made bunkers inside the um, mountains, and this thing they have done since long. They were doing since long. So let me tell you something about the inventory, which you should know. And the figures uh, are not to be quoted. It is the approximate figure because keeping the security reasons. We have almost 54 MiG-21s now, which is a Bison. It is a very upgraded version. This aircraft has shot down F-16 of Pakistan. It was shot down by my junior wing commander Abhinandan. We have 118 Jaguars. Then MiG-29 we have almost about 65 and still 21 in order, which is yet to be delivered. We have almost 45 Mirage 2000. Then we have almost 261 Sukhoi 30. Tejas we have 18, 22 are yet to be procured. Sukhoi 30, as I told, 261 and 272 almost is in pipeline, which will be coming soon. Rafale, we all know we have 5 and 31 is more to come. Embraer, it is an aircraft from Brazil, Brazil also makes its aircraft. We have 2. It is equipped with the DRDO equipment for AWNC equipment is there. We have one Boeing 707. We have Globemaster 5000 ELINT, which is used for ELINT. ELINT is electrical intelligence. It's a game of radio waves. Then we have Gulfstream 100, which is from Israel, and this aircraft is used for surveillances. We have 2. Astra missile can be loaded. We have IL-76. It is a Soviet version. The full name is Illusion 70. Sorry, IL-78. We have 6, and I am talking about the air-to-air refueler. It is equipped with Israel fuel transfer system, and it is a very good force multiplier. Imagine a scene when we are fighting with Pakistan and aircraft comes back and it get refuels within half an hour in the air itself, and then again it go back to its mission. We have 2 Boeing 777. Then as a transport Illusion 76, IL-76, we have 14. We have we have ordered 62 Airbus C295. This inventory is with respect to Air Force only. AN-32, we have almost 104 AN-32. Embraer Legacy, again from Brazil's. Embraer Legacy 600, we have 4 in our inventory. We have uh, Dornier aircraft from Germany, and it is made in HAL Kanpur. Together in collaboration with Germany, we have 228. 50 are yet to be delivered. And we have LCA, which is totally make in India project. We have as on inventory, at present we have 2, and 150 has been demanded more. Okay, it took a lot of time in this development because making an aircraft is not sufficing our requirement. We have to see how much payload it can carry, uh, how much maneuver it can do uh, with so much payload, and it should be light. There are a lot of parameters. जैसे लड़की देखते हैं ना शादी के लिए बहुत कुछ देखना पड़ता है वैसे ये भी. Then we have a Boeing AH-64-22. Then Mi-24 attack aircraft from Russia, we have 15. Uh, HAL Rudra, we have 12. HAL Dhruv, we have 19. These are UAVs. Now we have almost 223 Mi-17, 3 to 4 Mi-26, Chetak aircraft, which is brought up with the help of HAL, we have 77. Cheetah, we have 17. Boeing 40 CH-47 Chinook, it is also an aircraft. It is from United States. Chetak is from France. Mi-26 is from Russia, and this Cheetah is of India. Boeing CH-47 Chinook is from United States, and we have 15. Trainer aircraft, we have almost 78. Hawk, we have 132, which are used for training our new pilots. We have a Speccat Jaguar, almost 30. MiG-21, which is a Soviet Union version. It is a converted trainer. We have 39. Then IAI Harub. IAI means Israeli Aviation Industry. I have been there. I was there. This is yet to come. The most powerful UAVs, Heron and Searcher, almost 68 to 70 Heron and 108 to 110 Searcher or many more. We have Lakshya, which is an indigenous product made by DRDO. It is a drone target. We have 39. Now, I'm open to you all for any questions if you have. And if you want to know anything more, I'm there for you.
Yes, sir, surely. Sir, firstly, I would like to ask you that what inspired you to join Indian Air Force?
Yeah. See, uh, a small thing, no, nothing to take. I am a born warrior. I'm from Rajput dynasty, and my great forefathers were, they have given their life for all these things, for country. And I was fascinated by the uniform, whether it is army, navy, or air force, the way they conduct, the way they walk, fearlessness is in them. And I also wanted to fly. And if you want to fly, you need wings. And if you want wings, you have to join. But I could have done it. But I got into Air Force. Otherwise, I was ready for any of the tri services. And by virtue of being in Air Force, I have worked with almost all the three wings, all the sister services. I was with Navy, I was with Army. The CBRN course, which I have done, was along with the commandants in CME Pune. It's a very huge establishment, and young officers are there, and that time we had it. It's a very important and uh, fruitful course. Which you tell me anything on it.
Sir, and like, what challenges did you face as a wing commander during your service? Like
See,
you said,
the
you were
more
also there in the
I
Kargil. So,
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. See, you know, the force, Indian Air Force or any military services, we cannot crib. See, you may, as a student, you or as a child or as a, in any other profession, you can go and tell, yes, sir, this is the problem. You can tell, father, I want this. In Air Force or in armed services, if you just go and tell the problem, कि sir ये नहीं हो रहा है, this will not be taken. You will have to take at least three solutions for the problem which you are having. So before telling any problem, if you are thinking about the solution, you will, if you are a commissioned officer, if a class one vested officer, you will just see that let me solve it first. And as a wing commander, I'll tell you, when I was a junior, Air Force, all organization, first of all management techniques which are shown in IAM or any other colleges has been copied from military, because military is a services where you can motivate a person to die and kill also. Can your professor motivate you to kill someone?
no, sir.
No. So when we are junior, our seniors or organization just sees that how much effort we are putting. A junior's effort is to be seen. Result doesn't matter. For result, seniors are there, and seniors have to give result. as a wing commander or as a senior officer, we don't find it's very hard for us to say no. And challenges, you know how much challenges we have to face. Challenges every day we have to do crisis management. Can if I tell you, ki go and pack your luggage, and you are moving to Kargil in next 2 hours, so it's my challenge to convince you, and it's your challenge. How will you convince your wife or your kids? Finding resources. There are resources are available. At many a times we also do jugaad because we have to do. One second.
Yes.
Phone was ringing.
So,
So challenges in that when you go, suppose I led a mission in Israel, how to conduct, get the course done, extract more of them. Not a single, not a single, you can say manufacturer or OEM will let you, will allow you to know their secrets. And if you are not intelligent enough, you won't be able to grab. The more question you ask, there are many challenges. How to motivate your person, your personnel, when the temperatures are more than 50 degrees centigrade? Am I visible?
yes,
Hello.
sir, you are visible. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. My video has gone. I don't know. It is not visible. Yeah, now it has come.
Sure.
So, from minus 50 to plus 50, when you go in Thais, the temperatures ranges come down to up to minus 30 degrees centigrade, and you have to move on road. You have to work where there is no oxygen. These are the challenges which we need to facilitate. An Indian Air Force officer is trained to handle minimum 5 assignments at a time. As of now, there are more than 10,000 shortage of officers in armed forces, 10 to 14,000. Almost in all the services, one officer is handling at least 4 to 5 assignments.
Sir, in that case, I would like to ask, like, how to join the Indian Armed Forces, yeah, Indian Air Force.
There are many ways. If NCC, if you have NCC certificate, you can directly apply for SSP. NCC certificate holders. Otherwise, if you are a graduate, see, if you pass class 12 and manage to get into NDA, you will be trained for 4 years. Then you will be examined. There are a number of things, and there you will be allotted Air Force, Army, or Navy as per your choice and as per your capabilities. Now, when you are a graduate first division, you can join ground duty officers. They are also very important. You can become, if you are an engineer, you can apply for AFCAT, CDS, and you can join as a technical officer. You can join as an admin officer. You can join as an accounts officer. So after graduation is all there. After post graduation is also there. There are for ladies also there. The girls can also join. Qualification is same. Testing pattern is that you qualify for, if you are engineer, you will, when you apply, you will be tested for EKT, basic engineering test, which you know, and thereafter, if you pass, you will have to go for SSB, staff selection board, and there you will be there for first day. You will be asked something. Few tests will be there. If you pass, you will be allowed to stay there for 4 days, and there you can. There are lots of tests which we do: psychological, ground test, physical test. Okay, so it depends upon, to join a air force. You don't need to be extra brilliant, extra intelligent. We need average guys with a required IQ, and we need a guy with positive attitude. How you see, if I give you a glass of water, all in the class can answer. If I give you a glass of water, half glass of water, if I ask you whatever you see, you tell me what will be your reply?
So it is half full.
Half full. Anybody else?
Okay, half full.
Half
Anybody
empty.
else?
Half empty.
Yeah, yeah. So if you want to become an officer, you'll have to say you are an engineer also. The glass is full, half with water and half with,
Air.
am I right? So
Yes, sir.
this is now how you say, see, we need to see a positive way. You tell me if you, anyone among you, XYZ, Miss, Sir, Ma'am, or you are going on a boat ride and you are driving the boat, and along with you, your both the parents are there, mother and father, and suddenly the boat tumbles down and both are drowning. Whom will you save first? And mind you, we get only 10 seconds to answer these questions, only 10 seconds. Whom will you save first?
Sir, first I'll save my father, like because he's a strong person. So if I save him, he can help me out to save others.
Okay, anybody else? Tell me, anybody else? Answer batao bhai. The girl in the group, I need your answer. बताइए मैम.
My father will save himself.
Okay, it is just a psycho test, and this test is known as situation reaction test, ma'am. At that point of time, you will never be able to judge किसको बचाना है. आप उन्हीं को बचाएंगे जो आपके पास. Your father, मतलब दिमाग काम नहीं करेगा. You will have to save who is nearer to you. So
Yes,
we need this type of thinking. Okay, where is Ronak?
Yes, sir.
Where is Ronak? Question for you. You got your salary. It is your money is in your pocket, and you have seen a night movie. You are coming back from there alone. अकेले आ रहे हो. पीछे से कोई somebody is coming having a weapon. क्या करोगे?
I will run.
You will run.
Yes.
Good. Anybody else? Shubham? Shubham. 10 seconds. Tick tick. 8. Tick tick 7. Bolo. Arey, nothing. There's nothing to lose. You are going to gain a lot. People take money for these classes. I'll tell you. Anybody else? Ronak will run. What will Arman do? My friend, these are psycho questions. See, and what we do, it depends upon the environment where we are living. What are we thinking? See, Ronak will run because he's fearing कि उसका पैसा कोई छीन लेगा. Somebody else may say that I will give him a challenge. He's alone, I'm alone. But why this situation is coming? Did I tell that he's a dacoit, he's a criminal? He may be wing commander SK Singh. He may be a police officer. This is how we perceive things. And if you want to become an officer, you will have to start thinking in this manner. And this will definitely help you in each field. In each field, whether you go, because the more you grow up, you go into management, and you require all these skills to manage. ठीक है. Elephant, किसने elephant देखा है? Anybody from Kerala in the group? केरला से कोई है ग्रुप में?
No sir, Karnataka.
कर्नाटका. अच्छा. When you see how an elephant is tied up, कैसे बांधते हैं उसको?
with the legs are chained up.
Huh?
Yes sir.
Their legs are chained and they're tied in a small bamboo or a pillar or thing. Huh? Do you think that that elephant is not having that much strength to break the chain?
Yes, sir. It has that much strength.
But why it doesn't break? Because that same elephant, when it was a cub, when it was small, it was tied with the same chain, and he tried his level best, and finally he gave up कि मैं इसको तोड़ नहीं सकता. So if you will have to break the chain, we all have the capability and potential. If you are not a traitor, if you are not a thief, if you are not a chore or a desdrohi, why can't you become a class 1 gazetted officer in defense services? You will have to start thinking in this manner. Any more questions?
Sir, any of your experiences during the Kargil, during the war times?
See, it was a LICO. What is LICO? Low intensity conflict operations, which you came to know about Kargil. Otherwise, it is happening daily in all the borders. When Kargil operation was there, I was there in Sirsa. In Sirsa, Sirsa is a place. I will not tell you the unit name because of the secret things. Sirsa is in Haryana, Rajasthan border. There was a unit where suddenly this happened, and to protect ourselves, to protect our asset, we need to do fill sandbags and put around our equipments, missiles, so that it will absorb the radiation as well as the firing bullets also. So we gave a recall. Everybody should report by this time. The moment the recall is given, you should report in 48 hours. But किसी का काम है, किसी का wife का delivery हो रहा है, he will have to stop. ठीक है? So, but everybody came. So we made when whoever came late, one day late means 50 बोरी वो भरना है रेता. ठीक है?
Okay.
And that time I was there deployed in a Malot, a place close to Pakistan border. You can see Pakistan. It was in somewhere November something. When did the Kargil conflict happen?
Around 1948, 47.
48 कैसे? You will be penalized. 48 कहाँ सकता है? Kargil war is 11th May 1999.
99.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
So we had camouflage tents. We were staying in tents. You cannot imagine the temperature at Ganganagar and that Malot in May. Tent में रहना है, duty करना है. We are used to it. In peacetime we do all these exercises in we do passive air defense. We have exercise live wire. We just now recently had exercise Gagan Shakti, in which we create a scenario. We divide our forces into two, enemy and friend and foe, and we practice, because it is, if you want to win a war, you need to practice. You cannot think that just see the people who do martial art, they practice same punches every day, same block every day. Why no? Because when there will be a conflict, their hand will automatically, this will be reflex action. Just a machhad baithta hai. If you see a mosquito, I don't know when the brain tells the hand to go and hit. So reflex action. So we are trained all this. A lot of challenges we have faced. In working in an open in 50 degrees centigrade itself is a challenge. Preparing food, धुआं नहीं निकलना चाहिए, दुश्मन पकड़ लेगा. They can fire a missile. It's a challenge. See, and then in a jungle where you are there, lots of snakes are there. How to survive there? You want to sleep, no? You need a rest also. So these are challenges which we are trained to do. Only in war, the extra challenge which we have is to kill. See, if you want to win a war, the famous when there was a battle between Germany and Germany has conquered all over the world, but when there was a battle with Russia, in a outskirts there was very small Russian forces, and Germany was a big army. And how to win a war? the general came and told ki, what can you do for the country? The soldiers told that I will die for my country. I'm ready. हम बोलते हैं ना देश के लिए मर जाएंगे, तेरे लिए मर जाएंगे. अरे मरने से काम नहीं होगा brother. If you want to win a war, you will have to make the other guy die for his country. Other guy should die for his country, then only you can win the war. Anything else, friends?
Yes, just a minute. Sir, some questions are there in the chat box. That how was your SSB experience?
I gave my experience to you. I answered all this question. See, if you make a sentence with love, 10 seconds only. Make a sentence with love, anybody. Come on. Come on, tell me, make a sentence with love. It is no rocket science is involved in this.
Love is understanding.
Very good.
Hello, my country.
Yeah. Okay. So when you are going to join defense services, people will say like this: I love my parents, I love his understanding, I love my country. Do you think the other guy who is competing with you will not say all these things? He will also same thing. मैं देश के लिए आज देश से प्यार करता हूँ, मैं माँ बाप से प्यार करता हूँ. So how will I judge? So it is a psychological test. If you say that Mother Teresa was loved by everyone, you will get extra points. In this stressful situation, you are knowing the name of Mother Teresa. And जैसे Mother Teresa को सारे लोग प्यार करते थे, वैसे तुम्हें भी प्यार करते. You tell me, what are your drawbacks? Anybody? Be open, because this is an educative class and I will definitely, you will learn and go home. Aman? Any lights? Bolo bhai, I asked a question.
Sir,
I get distracted very quickly.
Pardon?
I get distracted very quickly.
Distracted quickly. Okay, anybody else? Nitika?
So sometimes we had problem on, focusing. We distract sometimes.
Okay.
We can't
Anybody?
focus continuously on something.
And anybody else?
Sir, procrastination.
Eh?
Procrastination.
Okay.
Overthinking.
किसी को गुस्सा आता है? Anybody gets angry also?
Yes. Anger.
Aggression is
So,
an issue.
so I'll tell you. My point is that you all guys are students, and you can work upon it. See, will you make a man an officer who is going to control 1,200, 1,300 people, who's going to lead, who's going in a war front, who is very angry, who is short-tempered, he will slap anybody just for one thing? No. So your drawback should be such that it doesn't affect other. तुम थोड़ा लेट सो के उठते हैं एक्सेप्टेबल. तुम बहुत मोटू हो, चल नहीं सकते हो, भाग नहीं सकते हो, एक्सेप्टेबल. फौज विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू. विल टेक केयर इन 6 months from 120 to 60 ला देंगे. This is so these all things we need to work upon. अब लाइट बंद करते हैं कि your drawback should not affect other. Will you make a man a commanding officer on a or a officer who gets angry, who gets slapped? Because it is full defense is of decision making. How accurate and how timely decision you make, you give a decision. If you are distracted, how much time will it take from suppose Jaisalmer to Pakistan? Everywhere it is aware, where is Jaisalmer or Jaipur?
Rajasthan.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
You are in Maharashtra. You guys are in Maharashtra. Say Kharghar. How much is the distance from the seashore from there? कितना होगा अपना गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया से?
30-40 kilometers around.
Yeah.
So if more 100 kilometers inside, if there is a Pakistan warship, how much time will it take to come? Friends, aircraft fly, the aircraft speed is derived, what do you say, narrated in Mach, 1 Mach, 2 Mach, 3 Mach. Your MiG-29 can fly 2 Mach, 2.5 Mach, even 3 Mach per second. That means 990 meter per second. 1 second, almost 1 kilometer. How much time it will take to travel 300 kilometers? 300 kilometers, how much should I am talking to engineers. If you fly 1 kilometer in one second, in 1 minute you will fly 60 kilometer. In 5 minutes you will fly 300 kilometers. And our radars are designed to capture. See, there are radars which will recognize aircraft flying at a very far distance. But we will only come into action when it will be near to the IB. Now 300 kilometers, 5 minutes. You will have to decide in 5 minutes. You cannot एक सुट्टा मार के आके मैं decision लूंगा या एक कप चाय पी के decision लूंगा. They will bombard your Mumbai, yeah. So you need a good. So you cannot get distracted. And if you are getting distracted, you have to work upon it. I think I'm making it clear to you guys.
Yes, sir.
3 minutes, 5 minutes.
Yes.
So the question which I asked, माँ बाप में किसको पहले बचाओगे, अकेले आ रहे हो, these all questions are related to decision making. ठीक? Any more questions?
Yes, sir.
There are 10 questions in the chat box. देखो यार, somebody see and read it out.
Hello, sir.
One of
Hello.
Ja. Jai Hind, tell me.
Sir, my question is, what was your feeling whenever you wear the uniform of Indian Air Force?
Oh my God. See, whenever you have stripes over your shoulder and boots in your shoes, you feel top of the world. I will tell, and not a single lady or a single gent will not admire an officer walking on the road. You can see the movies, you can see the things. See, recently, this after the Pulwama attack, when the movie with Vicky Kaushal worked, what is the movie? Uri. Uri. And he was having a gala time. He was having a party time with the army guys as well as Jawans also. Okay? And it was 2 o'clock in the night. Then he asked, and the beauty of the Air Force, Air Force or armed services, we don't involve senior people. See, whenever foreign delegation comes, we depute our soldiers, our junior warrant officers, sergeants to give a lecture. So to make them feel that in their country, some air marshal is giving and here only a corporal, sergeant or JW is giving. So along with Vicky Kaushal, we had a lieutenant only. Then he asked the lieutenant, "Arey bhai, dost," because almost matching age है. Vicky Kaushal maybe senior. Lieutenant तो कितना का होगा? 19 से 22 के बीच का होगा. So what is your routine tomorrow? It was 2 o'clock. It was same. Get up at 4:30 and go for morning health run at 5 o'clock. Then बोला, he had to cut a sorry figure. Sorry friend, sorry दोस्त, मैंने तुम लोगों को जगा कर रखा, and you could have slept by now because you have less time now. It is 2:30 and 4:30 you'll have to get ready also. That lieutenant answered him कि हम आज में जीते हैं, क्या पता कल हमारा नाम अखबार में आ जाए. So Air Force, the motto of Air Force is people first, mission always. If you want to have a drink with me, I'll be with you till 3 o'clock, but 5 o'clock in the morning I'll be on the grounds with my boots on.
Amazing.
और कुछ बोलो.
Ask a similar question. Like, can you just tell in short the feeling you had when you first batched, like your first medal, your first batch of the service?
See, the best batch, whatever batch I get or anybody may get in service, the best batch is the batch when we pass out from the academy. You cannot imagine the training, the ragda, and the stress as well as the maja in the academy. The when you become a free bird, जैसे जेल में तुम छूटोगे आफ्टर 14 years कैसा लगेगा वैसा ही लगता है. ठीक है, मजा आया. That is the best batch which I got. That was the ribbons on my shoulder. After that, all routine work we have to do. करना ही है. It is the blessing of my seniors to recognize. Do you think if I get a batch, I deserve it alone? No. If anybody has seen Uri film, it is a team. See, defense. When you go to your college, when you go to bank, when you go to any other services, there are officers. In defense, we are leader first, and then an officer. Officer is by thappa. But if you are not a good leader, you will not rise in service. And who is a good leader? Who creates more good leaders. A leader who creates followers is not a leader. A good leader always creates many more good leaders.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
question? Yes, tell me, young man. क्या question है?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm an NSS volunteer from Saraswati College. My name is
Yeah,
Shubham
yeah.
Karat. So, my question is just on politics. So, can I ask you? Sir? Will it ask you?
You ask me. If
The question is, yes, sir.
हाँ पूछो यार पूछो. You can ask me.
So the question is about Rafale scam in 2012-14. Congress was saying that they can bring Rafale 105 Rafale at 54,000 crore, and in BJP's era, the Rafale was only 35-60,000. So, what was the opinion on this deal? Can you say about what it was?
I'll tell you. First of all, no military services, military person, they don't vote, they don't. We are not into politics. But if you procure anything, see, it is a national procurement. ये college का procurement नहीं है. ये मेरा office का procurement नहीं है जो stationery order कर दिया. That is in my hand. कि मुझे इतना stationery चाहिए. It is a national procurement. For there are ministry, finance ministry, and a Fauji can only put a proposal. The PNC committee, price negotiation committee, or the contract dealing are all people. What does a defense? Defense अपना बोलता है कि we need this. These are my parameters which I require. Now, the parameters may match or don't match. If they are not matching, there will be a bargaining. Because any national outsourcing, international outsourcing, you know, a commander in a base, how much power he has. Without any you know what you say, e-auction or e-government portal wala thing, 2 lakhs, and after that it may be 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs in contention with IFA, Independent Financial Authority, who is a guy of Ministry of Finance. He is sitting somewhere. He will vet my documents. Now power increases, it will go to Delhi, it will go to Ministry of Finance. So it is, if there is a money scam involved in crores or in more than crores and kharabs, Arabs, Fauji has nothing to do with this. And ultimately, our Supreme Commander is President, and we have to go through Ministry of Defense, and whatever defense minister says, we can either reject or accept. Sir, ये काम नहीं करेगा. This is rejected. This is not so. And you know, it is a political agenda, Baba. Somebody may compromise कि चलो ठीक है सर चला लेंगे इससे काम, and somebody may reject directly, मैं नहीं करूँगा. And many people like this have to quit service also. But see, the most important part for a defense officer is integrity. Whenever there is even 0.01 thou, I am talking to engineers, that's why I am using 1 thou word. Whenever there is a 0.001% also doubt on the integrity of the guy, of the officer, he will be no more required. So, हमें मानना पड़ता है. You see movies and all. See what happened to that guy Akshay Kumar in the film Rustam. Have you seen Rustam film?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
happened to Akshay Kumar? So there are things. Young guys, young blood, go join. It's a very nice service now, Air Force here. You know, there are many magazines who rates the life of an Air Force officer is after film stars. Enjoy. Whenever in jungle also there is a party, everything, all facility. Name a technology, it is available in Air Force. Name a theme party which we have already finished. सब कर लेते हैं, because you know we, instead of going outside and involving getting indulged in other things, we bring everything to our camp.
One question is from my side.
Who is she? Who is the lady?
Sir, I'm.
मैम बताइए.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, what do you think the war is the only solution to resolve any conflict, like which
No.
we are seeing nowadays?
No, war is a deterrence, dhamki. See, lots of bombs, lots of ammunitions. I'll tell you about. Lots of ammunitions are expiring every month, every day, which we are not using. Expire हो जाता है. Then we have to EOD, economic explosive ordnance disposal. उसको करके हम उसको demolish करते हैं. We have to fire it. That's why we have ranges, SK range, then the Pokhran range, then there is Amla, there is a range. We have to demolish this. But you need it for deterrence, because जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है उसको लोग दबाते हैं. Now North Korea, you see the scene of North Korea. अमेरिका के सामने North Korea can be is a chitty, but now it has a nuclear weapon, so it is a deterrence. Now nobody is daring to attack. वो जो मर्जी करता है. So we need lot of strategic planning to handle all this. But no doubt the world has become an arm. जिसके पास ज्यादा आर्म्स है, जिसके पास ज्यादा हथियार है, जिसके पास ज्यादा बम है, वो पावरफुल है. And how they are earning? अमेरिका में कोई खेती होता है नहीं, चाइना में कोई खेती होता है नहीं, इजराइल में जितना होता है वो that is not even sufficient for them. Everybody is selling weapon. Everybody is selling weapons, selling technology, selling bombs, selling radars. War is never a solution for anything. War, there should not be war. कभी war होना ही नहीं चाहिए. But war-like situation. Now you might, I know some other question which may arise is that China wala situation. Why China is doing this thing? I must tell you, and you must tell all your friends, that though China has lots of assets, we have 1750 to 80 aircraft. China has 3000 aircrafts. Still, China doesn't have experience of any war. हमारे यहाँ, have you heard so and so सिपाही, so and so officer has been given PVC posthumously, Vasisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal. Have you heard of anybody like this in China? China is, the Chinese army is for the political party, ruling party, Communist party. There is no Param Vasis Seva Medal, no Veer Chakra, no Param Veer Chakra. You have to. The soldiers cry when they are sent on Indian borders. They started crying. They don't have experience of war. And China is doing all these things because most of the investors of China are withdrawing their factories, closing their factories, and leaving China. And they are already many have invested and they are investing in India. Now, when there will be a war-like situation between India and China, this investor will go away. They won't like to invest. This is the thing. China can never. China's economic condition is far worse than India. There are many links in YouTube or Google. You can see and you can read the defense experts' opinion. Then you will come to know. Otherwise, by this time, if China would have been so powerful, they could have just entered and they could have attacked. We have captured our land, which we gave in 1965, which they took away in 1965. We took it back. Yes, young man, tell me.
Sir, one question was about the Aura project, DRDO. So, sir, can you
amplify more Aura full? What is the expansion?
Yes, sir. Aura and AMC project.
AMC for me, I am getting this annual maintenance contract only. Aura and AMC full.
Yes.
Is dealing with what?
Sir, fighter aircrafts.
See, I'm sorry, I'm not aware of that because Aura, if you tell me little more, if you give me a little more clue on that.
Aura unmanned aircraft.
Unmanned aerial, you are talking about UAV.
Yes, sir. UA Ghatak.
UA Ghatak, na? So, see, there are indigenous products which I've already told in the regarding when I was telling the specification as well as when I was talking about the inventory. So, उसमें तो मैंने बताया कि this DRDO, it is still in pipeline and it will be done because I have told about Heron, I have told about Searcher, that Nishant is of DRDO. One more is being manufactured, name is not to be disclosed. So it is in the pipeline. DRDO takes its own time. It will come. DRDO takes its own time. And have anybody seen any scientist? Scientist से किसी ने interact किया है?
Yes, sir.
You see how they work. You see how they work, how cool they are, and how much time they take. See, when I was a young flight lieutenant and I went with my crew to Bangalore, where Trivandrum, where BrahMos missile is being was being manufactured or assembled. I went and told the scientist, "Sir, I was a young lieutenant. Can you tell me about this missile within 10 minutes or 15 minutes because our bus is scheduled to leave now." He got annoyed. He told, "ये मेरा 30 साल का परिश्रम है, and you want me to tell in 10 minutes." So this is how DRDO works. So the project will come.
Okay, sir.
It is not UAV. It is not UAV. It is UCAV. UAV means unmanned aerial vehicle. This is unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It might come by 2024. Expected.
Yes, sir.
This is the timeline given by 224. Timeline given by DRDO. You can plus 5 more. And the project cost is almost about 28,000 crores.
Yes,
the design is such it is capable of delivering missiles, bombs, precision munitions. Are you aware what are precision munitions?
No, sir.
See, we have advanced so much. Precision munitions, they are very smart munitions. Suppose if I drop a bomb on runway to damage the runway of Pakistan, and I fit a timer in that, the timer can be fitted from 1 second to 144 hours. And lots of fuse I can put, anti-tamper, anti-water, anti-jhatka, anti-matka, all these things. So when we drop the bomb on the runway, it is known as runway penetration bomb. It will go 6 meters inside and it will sleep. Enemy cannot operate that airbase because they don't know when the bomb will blast. If they come to dig, if there is anti-tamper fuse, it will blast. If the timing is set for 10 minutes, it will blast in 10 minutes. So these are smart munitions. I'll tell you about one thing. FAE, fuel air explosive. This is again a smart weapon. When how Taliban has been abolished, how they used to stay in mountains, caves, mountain में caves बना के bunkers बना के रहते थे. So this type of bomb, this is made from USA. We also have. If you drop a bomb from 1 kilometer radius, it depends on the size of the bomb. It will draw all the oxygen. It will draw all the oxygen. People will die of suffocation, and after that it will blast, and the remaining will die with the shock effect, radiation and shock effect. You can search on net FAE. I'm trained on that also. Any more
Okay,
questions?
sir. One last question, which was very much in the chat box, was how do the soldiers and all the warriors celebrate?
What? Celebrate what? There is a
like celebrate some occasion, yeah, celebration on airbase during some like Diwali, yeah, any occasion.
Okay. Sir,
We are away from family.
if there is a, see, almost they're not always that they are away from family. It's not always that everybody is away from family. There are many family stations also. Okay. Now celebration depends. Suppose it is a Diwali. If it is a Diwali, we arrange fetes, stalls. ठीक है, हर मेस में पार्टी होता है, फिर फैमिलीज के लिए स्टॉल्स लगते हैं, आते हैं, गाना बजाना, तंबोला, then talent fashion show, everything we do in officer mess. We do even more wonderful things. मतलब, and we do theme parties. And when we return from any operations, when Fauji's return from any operations or when we win or lose from what may be, we do, there is a ceremony called Rum Punch. वहाँ टेबल पे ढेर सारे स्नैक्स लगते हैं, जम के दारू पीते हैं लोग, but no vehicle, come by walk, go by walk. People ensure that you are not out of your control. ठीक है. And there are lot many celebrations. वहाँ दुर्गा पूजा करते हैं, हम क्रिसमस मनाते हैं, गाड़ी पे सेंटा क्लॉज घूमते हैं, दुर्गा जी रखते हैं 7 दिन, सप्तमी अष्टमी नवमी दिन गणपति मनाते हैं, all festivals we do, all सब होता है, सब मजा होता है.
Okay. On that note, sir, I would like to, on behalf of everyone present here today, I would like to thank retired Wing Commander Sir S.K. Singh ji for sharing his valuable knowledge and experience with us, and to give us your valuable time, sir.
Okay,
your valor and commitment is inspiration for all of us. Yes, sir.
One last request from all of you. See,
yes, sir.
We start from small. Whenever you meet anybody or yourself, instead of saying Namaste, hi dost, start saying Jai Hind dost, Jai Hind yaar, Jai Hind ma'am, Jai Hind sir. I don't think any of your professor will tell you, why haven't you wished me?
In our NSS, it's a tradition to say, instead of hello, we say Jai Hind sir.
Yeah, that's good. You must say Jai Hind. So, bye-bye everybody. I must take leave now.
Also, sir,
Yeah.
Just vote of thanks, sir. So thank you for your valuable time for us, sir. We are truly and deeply inspired, and all the psycho questions you asked, then um, all the experiences you shared, they have, I can say we have learned from it a lot. And as you said, a small change can make, just now you said, make small changes by saying
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
Jai Hind instead of hello. That
Yeah.
will surely try to adapt it. I would also like to thank our principal, ma'am, Dr. Manjusha Deshmukh, deans, HODs, and teachers for their support. Lastly, I would thank our PO, Programming Officer, Dr. Sunita Pal, ma'am, for the great initiative she took to conduct this event. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, with us. We hope we all are deeply inspired from the words and experience shared by Sir today. Thank you and have a good day. I Jaivak signing off. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, everybody. Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.